Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, pag-uusapan natin yung lab na SQL injection attack, querying the database type and version on Oracle, no? So, basahin natin. This lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. So, product category ulit. You can use a union attack to retrieve the results from an injected query. To solve the lab, display the database version string and basahin natin yung hint. On Oracle databases, every select statement must specify a table to select from. If your union select query does not query from a table, you will still need to include the from keyword followed by a valid table name. So meaning, hindi siya pwedeng select select database. Hindi pwedeng ganoon. Kailangan select database from some table. Yun yung sinasabi niya dito. No, kailangan valid table name. So there is a built-in table on Oracle called dual, which you can use for this purpose. No? So for example, union select ABC from dual. Okay? So let's load the lab. And sabi dito, make the database retrieve the strings Oracle database, blah, 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 blah. And again, we will be attacking the categories. No? So let's go to one category. So let's try this. Corporate gifts or pets para mas maikse. So, isipan natin dito, no? So, ano yung possible na SQL query natin? So, let's delete this. So, maybe select star from some table. So, let's say table where category equals pets. Okay? So, ito yung possible na SQL query natin, no? So, kailangan natin i-query yung database type, no? So, one of the key points kapag ka nag-SQL injection ka using union attack is kailangan alam mo muna kung ilang columns yung table. Okay? So, paano natin malalaman yon? We can use a function called order by, no? So, in this case, we can try to do is inject here sa pets, no? Or sa category na pets. I-close natin yung category and then say order by some number. So, some number. And then, i-comment natin, no? So, let's try this. So, let's say order by 1. Let's say. So, as you can see, na-reflect lang. Maybe let's try 2. Gumagana pa rin. Let's try 3. Oh, nagkaroon ng internal server error. So, meaning, yung database at the back end, hindi niya ma-order by 3. No? Note natin yun, no? Hindi niya ma-order by 3. Meaning, dalawa lang yung columns. Okay? Hindi niya ma-order by 3. So, isipin mo, hindi ka makapag-arrange ng tatlong, hindi mo sila ma-arrange by 3s kung dalawa lang naman yung columns. No? So, meaning, kung nag-error sa order by 3, hindi niya ma-order by 3, then dalawa lang yung columns. Okay? So, ngayon, alam na natin na dalawa lang yung columns. So, pwede na tayo mag-try na mag-union select. No? So, sabi sa hint, what we can do is close union select and then meron kang dalawang values. No? Let's say 1, 2. Then, let's use the column, the table dual. No? So, from dual. And then, don't forget the comment. So let's try apostrophe union select 1, 2 from dual. So let's delete that and append this and run. So hindi siya gumana. So bakit kaya hindi siya gumana? Possible na hindi integer yung data type nung column natin, no? So let's try to put A and B. No? Let's try to do that. Let's copy and paste again the payload. And And gumana siya. Ayun, no? Union select AB from dual. So, ang kailangan natin gawin is to retrieve the string Oracle database 11G blah blah blah. So, I know that this is the banner from the version ng Oracle, no? So, what we can do is to union select the banner from the version ng Oracle, no? So, let's try and copy and paste this kung gagana. So, there you go. And there, gumana na. Core 11.2.0 blah 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 production. Okay? So, I hope naintindihan nyo yung SQL union attack on Oracle, and I hope to see you in the next video.